Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of the Yeti Nano microphone by Blue. This is a USB microphone which is compatible with PC using Windows 10, 8.1 and 7, and also compatible with Mac OS version 10.10 and up. It can record high quality audio at sampling rates up to 24 bits at 48 kHz. It has two modes, the cardio mode which records sound only in the front of the mic, which is usually used for streaming, online meetings, and voiceover. The omnidirectional mode records sounds around the whole mic, which is great for conference calls. Okay, it's time to cut the tape and open it up. Let's see what's inside the box. This card contains information about the Blue Sherpa software that you can download from their website. I'll put a link below in the description. Here is the instruction manual in multiple languages: English, French, Spanish, Italian, German, Chinese, and Japanese. Here is some warranty information. Here is the USB cable. On one end is the micro USB connector which plugs into your microphone, and on the other end is the USB-A which plugs into your computer. Here's a silica gel packet. This is the screw for the optional microphone studio mount. Now we will take out the Yeti Nano. It's tightly packed in foam and takes a little effort. It feels pretty solid and has a bit of weight. This is everything inside the box of the Blue Yeti Nano. I'll do a separate video reviewing and testing this microphone. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in my next video.